Hi, this is Gabriela. In this opportunity, we are going to explore the activities available in the teacher practice area. First of all, we are going to click on TPA and we are going to be in the teacher practice area. Then we are going to click on the green button to turn the editing on. And now you are going to be able to add activities. Click on this and you will find a fantastic list of activities. There are a variety of different activities that you can add in your course, but of course we are not going to explore all of them because we are not going to have time and because I don't want you to get bored. So I'm going to show you how to add the glossary. This activity, I like it very much because it allows your students to work in collaboration. So by click on add, you will access to the glossary. You have to write the name because it is required. I'm going to write blended learning. You can add a short description of this glossary. You can set the entries of the glossary. You can approve the entries by default, allow your students to edit the entries. You can select yes or no in case you want to duplicate entries. In my case, I don't want to. You can allow comments on the entries. You can also click on appearance and you will decide the format of your glossary, if it's going to be a simple dictionary style or an encyclopedia. Okay, then you can decide how many entries can be shown per page, if it is going to be shown in alphabetical order, or if you want or if you don't want to. Okay, so there is another option. It allows your students to print the glossary. This is very interesting. You can rate it, ratings, you can restrict access, you can set when the activity will be completed, will be considered completed, and once you're ready, save and return to course. And there it is, the glossary. In addition, the other activity I want to show you is a game, the crossword. Tick off, click on add, and you can link the glossary with the crossword. So the first thing, you have to write the name of the crossword. I'm going to be crossword, that's all, and my source will be the glossary that I have created. So I'm going to select the glossary, blended learning, and I'm going to create a crossword with the entries in my glossary. I'm going to rate it. You can click on crossword options and decide how many columns and rows your crossword will have, the minimum or maximum number of words. What else? You can restrict, of course, the access, when the activity will be completed. Okay, by click on these options. Okay, and when you are ready, save and return to course. And there it is. And the other activity I would like to show you is a quiz. It's very interesting. Tick off quiz, click on add, and the name of my quiz is going to be the topic of my course, blended learning. So you can add a short description of your quiz. You can set the time. You can decide when the quiz will be opened and when it will be closed. You can set the time limit by tick off enable. I'm going to set 20 minutes. Then you can also decide what will happen when the time expires by choosing one of the three options. You can grade it. You can click on layout and decide how many questions in a new page your quiz will have. The appearance of your quiz and the restrictions and the activity completion setting by when you expect that this activity is completed. Okay, so when you're ready, save and return to course. And now what we have to do is to click on blended learning in order to edit my quiz. So click on add a new question, and you have to choose, or you can choose among these different question types. Okay, you have matching, multiple choice, true or false, short answer. I'm going to select missing words option. Click on add. I'm going to write the question name, that is blended learning. Then I'm going to write my question text. Blended learning is, and here where I'm going to place the options to choose, I'm going to type two space holders, number 1, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to write my choices, online and face-to-face learning. My choice number 2 will be online only, and number 3 face-to-face. So you can also combine feedbacks for your correct response. Your feedback will be your answer is correct, and for your partially correct response, this will be your feedback, and for the incorrect response, your answer is incorrect. Okay, save changes, and here you have the first question. Okay, so I'm going to return to topic 6, and I'm going to close my edition, and I'm going to show you how the quiz will work. So click on this, attempt quiz now. Here you have the time limit. I'll start attempt, and here it is, my question number 1. Blended learning is, and here you have the options. Click on this, and I'm going to choose number 1, finish attempt. I'm not going to return because I'm sure about my answer, so submit all and finished. Click on this, and there it is. This is my correct answer. So now let's go back to topic 6, and well, I'll show you how to add a glossary, a crossword, and a quiz in your course. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching me, and see you around. Bye bye.